For the first time in about 50 years, a brand new station has debuted on the Yamanote Loop Line, a train line that has been supporting the Tokyo metropolis. With amazing access to everywhere in the city, as well as to bullet trains from Shinagawa Station, and even close to Haneda International Airport, Takanawa Gateway is poised to be Tokyo's newest international city. Known as the Shinagawa Development Project, the new city surrounding the station is expected to open in 2024 with the concept Global Gateway Shinagawa. Planning the design for this new city is major U.S. architectural studio Picard Chilton, who have worked on many large-scale projects.
This is terrific. Excellent.
When Global Gateway Shinagawa is complete and you have this rich mix of uses, I think what lies at the heart of it is going to be a spirit of creativity. And Global Gateway Shinagawa will be that catalyst to help nurture that creativity, to help grow that creativity. And ultimately, I think have a profound impact, not just in Tokyo or Japan, but globally.
Undertaking the Shinagawa Development Project is the East Japan Railway Company.
この高輪ゲートウェイという駅、そしてこれから開発をするこの街、そこからですね、さまざまな新しいものを、新しい価値を発信していきたいと思っています。ぜひ海外のですね、皆さんもこちらの街づくりに参画をしていただいて、そしてこの日本の中の新しい街づくりをですね、一緒に取り組んでいければ非常に嬉しく思います。
The area was previously the site of the Tokaido Road, established in the 17th century to connect the cities of Edo and Kyoto. Today's National Route 15 is said to follow almost the exact course of the old Tokaido Road. At the beginning of the 18th century, a gate called the Takanawa Okido was established and served as the entrance to southern Tokyo. Almost 150 years ago, in 1872, Japan's first rail line is said to have been constructed through this area. At the time, the railway and Shinagawa Station itself were built on the ocean. The land was gradually filled in to build the station building, and embankments were constructed for the rails. Later, the area became a rolling stockyard, the remnants of which are now home to Takanawa Gateway Station. It's now a buzzing new destination. The station itself is characterized by its roof. The design incorporates the motif of the traditional Japanese art of origami, used to make everything from everyday objects to animals. It was designed by world-famous architect Kengo Kuma.
大屋根は基本的には幕で作られているので、光が入ってきてもう昼でも夜でも明るい印象の大屋根なんですけど、その白い幕とそれから木の組み合わせがちょうど障子みたいな感じなんですね。日本人にとって障子の光ってのはすごく懐かしいもんだし、なんか障子の光っていうのは人間の気持ちを優しくさせる効果があると思うんですけど、で全体が大きな、ある種のゲート空間のようなデザインになっているので、東京来たな、日本来たなっていうふうになんか僕らはセンスオブアライバルって言うんですけど、着いたなっていうのはそういう感じる駅になるかなと思いますね。
Wood from Tohoku has been used throughout the station, creating an atmosphere of warmth. There are also a variety of robots, giving it the feel of a station from the future. Mobile guidance robots help passengers to their destinations, as well as advertise goods and services. When a customer approaches one, it stops automatically and lets them use the touch panel monitor to show maps of the station and promote events within the facility. Automated security robots are also on patrol. They flash warning lights and audio warnings when sensing danger. Automated cleaning robots keep the station spick and span. Takanawa Gateway Station's first station master is Taka Nakamura.
高輪ゲートウェイ駅の開業を機に街づくりも始まっていきます。その始まりとして高輪ゲートウェイ駅がオープンし、お客様に安心してご利用いただける愛される駅を作っていきたいと考えています。
The opening of Takanawa Gateway marks the 30th station on the Yamanote line, each of which has a unique character. A project to promote these neighborhoods is underway called Tokyo Moving Around. JR East has big plans for the area surrounding Takanawa Gateway to become one of Japan's leading international cities which foreign residents will find comfortable to live, including an international school and large-scale convention center.
世界中からの先進的な企業ですとか人々がここに集まってビジネスをしたりもしくはクリエイティブな活動をしたりここに住んだり学んだりそういったことが繰り広げられるような街づくりを目指しているんですけれどもいろいろなことが生まれて発表して育ってまた次の新しいものが入ってくるというようなことが循環されるようなどんどん成長していくようなそんな街にしたいなと思っておりますしそれが私たちが描く品川の街の将来イメージです。